Welcome to Unlocking SuiteCommerce, a series of tutorials, how-tos, and guides guaranteed to make SuiteCommerce easy. Hi, I'm Fran, Project Management Officer at Tavano Team, and today I'm going to show you everything you need to know about the newsletter sign-up feature in SuiteCommerce. When a visitor submits the newsletter sign-up form, NetSuite creates a new lead record with its email address. There are 3 different methods for users to subscribe to your newsletter. The first method, and easiest, is through the newsletter sign-up box. The sign-up box appears by default on the footer of any SuiteCommerce website. It's pretty straightforward. The visitor writes their email address, clicks subscribe to confirm the action, and they will see a welcoming message. If the user is already registered to your newsletter, they will see a message warning them that they've already signed up. But don't worry, we'll cover all subscription statuses and messages in just a minute. The second method is possible from the registration page and can only be done once. When the user registers for the first time, they will be asked if they agree to receive offers and promotions. The third and more thorough method is from the My Account page. To sign up for your newsletter, users should go to My Account, Settings, Email Preferences, and check the newsletter subscription box. By default, they will be subscribed to all of your company's newsletters, but here they can choose which of your newsletters they want to subscribe or unsubscribe to. This is the only method that allows choosing newsletters individually. When a user signs up for a newsletter, SuiteCommerce will check for any existing customer or lead records that contain a matching address. If the address already exists, SuiteCommerce checks a global subscription status value. It's important to understand that the preferred record is a customer record. If both the customer and lead records contain a matching email address, SuiteCommerce will only update the customer record. SuiteCommerce only updates matching lead records if no customers are returned. Finally, if the user subscribes using the sign-up box and there is no previous record of their email address, they will be created as a new lead record with a name unknown. When sending newsletters, your company will need to check the global subscription status field to determine if the customer has signed up for them or not. The values that can be set in the global subscription status field are the following: soft opt-in, soft opt-out, confirmed opt-in, confirmed opt-out. Depending on the value of the global subscription status field, these are the actions that SuiteCommerce will take and the message it will show to the user upon sign-up. If the value is soft opt-in or confirmed opt-in, no changes made to the customer or lead record, and a message informs the user that they are already subscribed to the newsletter. If the value is soft opt-out, SuiteCommerce changes the record status value to soft opt-in, and a message informs the user that they have signed up for the newsletter. If the value is confirmed opt-out, no changes made to the record, and a message informs the user that they cannot sign up for the newsletter. If you want to change the email preference subscription lists, go to Setup, Marketing, Setup Tasks, Campaign Subscriptions. First, enter the name of the subscription category and a description. Then, check the Subscribe by Default box if you want new records to be included in this campaign subscription. In the External Name field, enter the name of the subscription category as you want it to appear in the Campaign Subscription Center. Next, in the External Description field, enter the description you want to show and click Save. And you're done! Now you're ready to make the most of your newsletter sign-up feature in your SuiteCommerce website yourself. Give it a try. Subscribe to our channel for more SuiteCommerce tutorials and don't forget to turn on the notifications. See you next time.